I've never seen her like this before. Kung ano yung pinakita niya sa Saving Cherry, I've never seen this version of Barbie. As in, na-excite ako. As in, yung my feeling after ng take na, oh my gosh, pag napanood to, naku, na-excite ako for you and for everyone honestly na iba ka dito, girl. And I told her this dun sa unang kinuwento naming set na inuman. Nakakahiya na paulit-ulit yun. Pero, oo. Sinabi ko agad kay Barbie na isa sa mga reasons ba't din ako umoo is because she's leading it. And for my very first movie, it's an honor to support Barbie sa ganitong kalaking, like, I would say, I don't know if you're trying to change your branding, ha? I don't know anything, pero, girl, pasabog ka dito. Pasabog siya dito. And I'm so honored to be part of that. I know it's a milestone in your career. That's why it will be a milestone in mine. Wow! Gusto mo yun? Thank you.
Yeah. How about you, Mika?
Ako po, I really said yes to this project because I learned and I know na si Ate Barbie yung lead. And no pressure ate. And then I remember may isang gabi na talagang minessage ko pa si Ate Barbie kasi I look up to her talaga as an actress. And nung nakasama ko siya sa set, sobrang professional. Ibang level yung professionalism ni Ate Barbie. And kahit hindi mo gusto yung matututo ka sa kanya. And ang dami ko po natutunan sa kanya, sa set na to.
Different environment. Walang plastikan, no?
Hoy! Hoy! Wala akong sinasabi!
Joke lang.
I love my network. I love you.
Banter lang to naman para...
To my Star Magic family, I love you. I love you. Okay. Sasa! Nawala na yung train of thought ko. Nawala na talaga. Hindi. But I learned so much. Not just from Ate Barbie, but from all of them. Their work ethic, how professional they are. But specifically with Ate Barbie, there was one scene that you will see in the movie na talagang I caught myself just watching her. Feeling ko pinapanood ko na talaga yung movie because I was in awe of how she had prepared for the scene, first of all, and just all the emotion she was going through. I know you know what scene we're talking about. Wala namang plastika, no?
Walang plastikan, ato.
Pero
Yes!
pinuhin siya on the spot. Tsaka sabihin,
Ito
ano,
naman.
in between takes, yan ang pinag-uusapan.
Ala!
Baka si Sasa.
Sabi mo pa naman kanina, yung chismisa ng ano, di ba?
Ay, hindi po ako artista, influencer lang ako.
So, linawin mo yan, wala naman siyang sinabi sa ina.
Wala naman po. Vibes po kami. Walang gano'n to naman.
Ay, wala ko talaga.
Ito na, nag-headline na tayo.
Kaya nga ako
Diyos
binash
ko po.
kasi sobrang straightforward ko, diba?
Correct!
Diba?
I'm just kidding. Yeah, okay, Sasa. Yeah.
Ito na po, kasi si Barbie, nasabi ko na rin sa kanya na medyo late na ako naging fan ni Mama. Alam kong magaling na talaga siya. Alam kong she makes